Hello friends, welcome to my channel Instrument Calibration. In this video, I will explain about how to set parameters in MSA Ultima X Series gas monitor. There are 6 main objectives of this video. First, how to set span value. Second, how to set range value. Third, how to set gas table. Fourth, how to set alarm set points. Fifth, how to set mode of the alarms. Sixth, how to set current date. First of all, how can we set span value? In order to set span value, press Enter button on controller. You can see Ultima X ready on controller screen. Now, press Send button and you can see Send with question mark on controller display. After this, press Span button, and you can see Span option on controller display. Press Cal or plus button at once, so you can see span value option on screen. Now, press Enter button so that you can see span option with hashtags. Use controller keypad in order to enter value. For example, if you want to enter 50, press 5 and 0 then press 0 button twice. In order to send value to transmitter, you have to point controller towards transmitter and press Enter button. You can see value on controller display for 3 seconds. Now, how can we set range value? In order to set range value in MSA Ultima X Series, press Send button from controller and you can see Send with question mark on controller display. After this press Span button and you can see Span option on controller display. At this time, press Cal or plus button 2 times so that you can see Ultima X range on controller display. Press Enter button, and you can see range with hashtags on controller display. Now, use controller keypad to enter value and press Enter button. For example, if you want to set 100 parts per million range for transmitter, first press 1 button and then press 0 button 4 times. Now, aim the controller to transmitter and press Enter button. You can see range value on MSA Ultima X Series transmitter display for 3 seconds. Now, how can we set gas table? First of all, press Send button, and you can see Send with question mark on controller display. Then press Span button, and you can see Span option on controller display. At this time, press plus button until display prompts Ultima X gas table on controller display. Now, press Enter button and you can see gas table with hashtags on controller display. After this, use the number button to enter desired gas table value. For example, if you want to select methane gas, then press 001 button. Aim the controller to transmitter and press Enter button. Now, how to set alarm set point? First of all, press Send button and you can see Send with question mark on controller display. After this, press Alarm button and you can see 2 options on controller display. First option is to set alarm set point. And second option is to set mode of the alarms. Here, we want to set alarm set point. So select 0 from controller keypad and press Enter button. And you can see alarm set point with hashtag on controller display. Now, use the keypad of controller to enter desired set point number and you can see set P value on controller display. For example, if you want to set alarm number 1 then press 1 button from controller and press Enter button after this. We need to enter desired alarm set point value for alarm number 1. For example, if you want to set 10% LEL for alarm number 1 then press 1 button at once and press 0 button 3 times. After this, aim the controller at transmitter and press Enter button in order to set alarm set point number 1. Value of alarm 1 will be displayed on transmitter for 3 seconds. In this section, I will show you how to set mode of the alarms. First of all, press Send button and you can see Send with question mark on controller display. After this, press Alarm button and you can see 0 and 1 options on controller display. We need to set mode of the alarms. Therefore, press 1 button and press Enter after this. Alarm Setpoint with hashtag will be displayed on controller screen. Now, select desired alarm number and press Enter after this. You can see Alarm Setpoint with Enable and Disable option. Here, option number 1 is to enable the alarm and option number 2 is to disable the alarm. In other words, if you press 1 button, it will enable the alarm. And if you press 0 button, it will disable the alarm. In order to enable the alarm, press 1 button and press Enter after this. You can see Latched with 2 options. 0 is to unlatch the alarm and 1 is to latched alarm. Select desired option and press Enter. You can see 2 options. 0 and 1. In order to set the alarm as downward acting alarm, press the 0 button. And if you want to set the alarm as upward acting alarm, press 1 button. Select desired option and press Enter. You can see 2 options. 0 and 1. 0 is to set alarm as non-energized alarm. And 1 is to set alarm as energized alarm. Aim the controller at transmitter and press desired option 0 or 1. You can see alarm configuration on transmitter display for 3 seconds. In other words, Ultima X Series gas monitor shows the alarm setpoint value and status. In this section, I will show how to set current date. First of all, press Send button and you can see Send with question mark on display. Now, aim the controller at the transmitter and press Enter button. You can see current date on controller display for 3 seconds. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please give me your valuable feedback in comment box.